Okay, hear me out. Lemon juice is literally all you need to descale your kettle. So you want to fill it halfway with water. Squeeze in the juice of 1 or 2 lemons. For me, I just find it easier to just drop the lemon halves in there. Then you boil it once. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so that the citric acid will just do all the heavy lifting. Once that's done, pour it out and look at that. All the lime skill just rinses away. No harsh chemicals, no scrubbing, and I promise you it smells incredible. Costs almost nothing and your kettle will thank you. You're welcome.